Alright, so let's check this.
Click on the Learn More button to join the free training. It's completely free.
Okay, so at this point, I'm going to cut out the ending part too.
It's completely free.
The remaining space, I just want to cut it out.
It's completely free.
I'll pause, click on split, and I'll click delete. Okay, now you can see that we have CapCut ending here. I will tap on it on this clip and click on delete. Okay, so our text are scattered. So I will advise, before you start generating the text, make sure you have arranged the clip very well. Okay, so I will delete all these text and generate it again so that the work will be easy. Okay, tap on it, delete, tap on it, delete, tap on it, delete, tap, delete, tap, delete, tap, delete, tap, delete, tap, delete, tap, delete. Alright, so we are done. So you just go back to your main screen or your main menu. This main menu is when you did not select any clip or any function at all. Okay, so you click on text, click on captions, auto caption, click on start, allow it to generate new caption. Okay, don't forget to have internet connection. Alright, click on done. Alright, so this is the text is already highlighted. I will bring it here, click on style, the text is already highlighted, click on style, then click on style here, change the color to red. Okay, change the font to Rubik. Okay, I want to change this high to capital, the H to capital, bring the to show downwards. Okay, then click on style, let me increase the size. Okay, this is okay. Let me drag it downwards. You can drag it downwards. Then animation, click on animation, click on text.
Hi there, I want to show you how to.
Okay, beautiful. So at this point, let's see what happens.
Hi there, I want to show you how to create an AI human video like this for free.
With videos like this.
So this create an AI human video. I will arrange it. I will select it, click on style. Okay, let's see what happens. I will bring down AI video. I'll bring it down to the next line. Okay, I will take this down too. Okay, let's see what happens.
Video like this for free.
With video.
Okay,
How to create.
so let's play.
Hi there.
Can you see? So I can drag this a little. I can even push this clip, push it a little, okay, to the right. Okay, once you select it, you are going to see this green highlight, this green square around it. Okay, then I can tap on this text, okay, so that the text can fit in properly. Okay, okay, let's play.
Video like this for free.
With video.
How to
Fine.
create an.
So I'm done with this. You can check it out without playing by saying, by just dragging. Okay, so I think with video like this, I need to bring it inside a little. Okay, can create your business. Okay, okay, now at this point I don't need this text. I don't need this text that has to say with video like this and these other text that this young person is talking about. I'm going to replace the text with a graphic depicting what they are talking about. Okay, while I will allow click here. Okay, click here will stay. So let me arrange that of click here. Alright, click on style. Just click here. I'm going to make it capital. Okay, this is fine. Join. Okay, I will select join, tap the text. I will select join, click on style, then tap here, bring free training to the next line. Okay, free training to the next line. Okay, fine. Let's see what happens. It's completely free. Fine, this is okay. So this area, I'm going to delete this text, delete this text, delete this text. Okay, now remember, I have a concept in my mind, and that concept is that at this area where it says you can use it to attract sales and visibility to your business, I want to replace it with a graphic that talks about sales, that talks about visibility, and talking about making money. Okay, so what I will do is I'm going to play from here.
With videos like this, you can increase your business visibility.
So at this point, it says business visibility. Okay, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to tap on this clip. Okay, scroll the function. Okay, I'm looking for a function that is named overlay. Okay, it's not here, and I will just go back. Okay, you can see overlay here. I'll tap on it. It says add overlay. So at this point, I have already downloaded the graphic I am looking for. So I'll just click on photos. Okay, now I'm looking for visibility. Okay, so I'm going to select this. Okay, I'm also going to select this. Okay, I'll click on add. Can you see? So at this point, I don't need this to be too bold. So once I highlight this graphic, you can see this blue or green square around it. I use my 2 fingers to drag. Okay, I want to make it short. Now for this other one, I also drag. Use my 2 fingers. I'll select it and use my 2 fingers to make it small. Okay, so let's play.
Like this, you can increase your business visibility and sales.
Also, you can make money by creating this kind of videos for individuals and business owners.
Videos like this, you can increase your business visibility and sales.
Okay, so business visibility and sales. So I want this to appear. I want this to appear when they say business visibility. So I'm going to click.
You can increase your business visibility.
I'll pause it. So business visibility. Okay, then I'm going to select this. Okay, make sure I drag it a little into this line. Okay, to cross the line a little. I'll select it and I'll click on split, and I will delete this part. Now you see that we have this part. Okay, we have the smaller part. Okay, then for that of cells, I'm going to drag the cells. Okay, once you tap, you drag down here. After the visibility, I want cells to play. So let's see what happens.
Business visibility and sales.
Also, you can.
Okay, so I'm going to take this. I'll bring down these cells. I'll allow it here. I'll tap on this other one, the visibility. I'll drag it a little. Okay, let's play.
Your business visibility and
Okay, business visibility. Let me drag it a little. Okay,
increase your business visibility and sales.
Also, you
okay.
can.
So at this point, I want to cut out these cells. Select it. Select the clip or the graphic you want to cut out. Click on split. Then click on delete. Okay, please, I want you to just concentrate and try this. Okay, it's easy, it's not difficult. All right, so at this point I want to add some animations to this. I will select this, click on animation. Okay, I will select this rotational. I'll click on good.
Increase your business visibility.
Okay, let's play.
You can increase your business visibility and sales.
Also,
Okay,
you can make
hold
money.
on. So I want to also add animation to these cells. Select it, select animation. When you select the graphic or the clip, you select animation. So I'm going to select rock. Okay,
And sales.
so now these cells, I'm going to bring it here. I'll select it, bring it to the center. Okay, let's play.
You can increase your business visibility and sales.
Also, you
Beautiful.
can make money by creating this kind of videos.
So this time around, I want to say make money. Where he mentioned make money, I want to add money sign or money graphic. Okay,
Also, you can make money.
all right, it's at this point. So I'll just stop here, go back. Okay, select overlay, add overlay. Okay, let me get a photo that talks about sales. All right, this is it, making money. Okay, this is what I want. So I can decide to crop this. Okay, I will just scroll. Already this is highlighted. You can see this green square at the edge. Okay, you select it and you click on, you look for a function, edit, crop. Just want to crop this. Okay, all right, then I will use my two fingers, tap on it and shrink. Okay, and place it here. All right, let's play.
Make money by creating this kind of videos for individuals and business owners.
All right, so I'll pause it here, tap on it, click on split, delete this part. Okay, so I'm going to play.
By creating this kind of videos for individuals.
Let's
Also,
play.
you can make money by creating this kind of videos for
Make money.
you can make money by. Also, you can make.
Okay, let's play it.
Also, you can make money by creating this kind. Make money by. So you can make money.
So at this point, I'm going to drag this so that when it's saying make money, this is going to come up to this edge. Okay, now I will tap on this clip, click on animation, and I will now choose an animation role.
By creating.
Okay, this is fine.
By creating this. By creating.
This is fine.
By creating this. By creating this.
Okay, let's play.
This kind of videos for individuals and business owners.
Click on the Learn More button to join the free training. It's completely free.
Wow, so we have successfully created a simple advert video. Okay, you can see it. Let's play it.
Hi there, I want to show you how to create an AI human video like this for free.
With videos like this, you can increase your business visibility and sales.
Also, you can make money by creating this kind of videos for individuals and business owners.
Click on the Learn More button to join the free training. It's completely free.
Wow, so this is it. So at this point, this is the concept I have in my mind. Okay, so I can now download because I'm done with the editing. So we are done with the editing, and if you follow this process, you will get to this point. And I want to say congratulations. Okay, once you are done with this, don't forget to post your own sample. Okay, in the support group, post your own sample. Let's see what you have created out of your AI video. Okay, then you click on this arrow pointing upwards to download. Okay, it's downloading into our phone. Congratulations, so we have successfully downloaded this into our phone. You click on done. Fine. So this is how to use CapCut and your AI generated video to produce a complete simple video that you can use for advert. You can even create this for a client and the client will pay you. So don't hesitate to do your own immediately and post it in the support group so that we can encourage you and appreciate what you have done so far.